guys, it's Surf Casting Island, and today I'm going to be talking about how to tie direct as opposed to using a tactical angler's clip or using improved clinch knot to tie to a split ring. So this is basically, it's personal preference. Some guys like to use breakaway and TA clips as opposed to tying direct, so either or, it doesn't really matter. It's catered to your ability and your interests. So without further ado, you can put this knot, it's called the trilene knot, I'm going to show you guys. You can put it on anything from, working a swim bait to working, your Uzori mag darter, walking the dog with Rapala skitter walk, or, snapping the bucktail when you're working the bucktail. And what you guys should realize is that none of these baits have a split ring on them. And if you were to tie direct, the bait would pretty much take a side, would you say, and it'll have a much less natural presentation when being worked through the water. So, without further ado, I'll show you guys the trilene knot. I'm going to be using 50-pound Andy mono. It's cheap. I don't really want to go through expensive stuff anymore. So I'll take something with some less hooks on it, like the diesel minnow, and you want to have about 2.5 3 foot leader. Trim the tag end. Again, I'm just going to show you the trilene knot. I'm not going to go through the improved clinch or regular clinch from the barrel spool. That's not the purpose of this video. So you're going to take your bait, take the leader line, you're going to make a loop with the leader line like so. Take the tag end, insert through the loop. Now, you pretty much have an overhand knot in the line, like that. Now you're going to take your bait, insert through the tag end, through the eye. Now you're going to take the tag end again, and you're going to insert through the loop. You really want to get that loop as close as you can to that eye, like so. Now, going to give it about, 8 to 10 turns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We go 8 because this is heavier pound test. Wet the line. Now you're going to insert the tag end back through that loop that you made. Pull it, cinch it tight. Trim the tag end. Now what you have is a bait that's tied fully direct, and based on my last video, if you guys watched, it's similar to the dropper loop with the bait inside the loop with the Tsunami sand eel. It's free swinging. It's not going to take a side like it would with the improved clinch and whatnot and swim unnaturally through the water. It's going to have that natural, drop and flutter and swimming action while it's working, whether you're using a bucktail, mag darter, skitter walk, or the diesel minnow like I have in my hand. I hope you guys enjoyed this how-to video on how to tie the trilene knot. If you guys have any questions, please reach out. But if you did like the video, please like, comment, and hit that subscribe button. Thank you.